Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, David. How are you today?
Hi, Clara. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I was watching some animated movies last night and wanted to talk with you about them. Do you like animated movies and TV shows?
Yes, I really enjoy them. Animated movies are fun and creative. I often watch cartoons and animated series in my free time. What did you watch last night?
I watched a new animated film called Magic of the Forest. It is very colorful and tells a wonderful story about friendship and nature. I loved the characters and the music.
That sounds interesting. I haven't seen that one yet. I usually watch animated shows like Adventure Squad and sometimes old cartoons on TV. What do you like most about animated movies?
I like that they can show amazing worlds and interesting characters. The stories are full of adventure, humor, and sometimes a good lesson. They also have beautiful drawings and music.
I agree. The drawings and colors are very attractive. I also like how animated movies make me feel happy and sometimes even thoughtful.
Yes, they can be both fun and meaningful. In Magic of the Forest, I learned about the importance of helping friends and protecting nature. It made me think about how we should care for our environment.
That is a nice message. I remember an animated show I watched called Star Journey. It was about a group of friends who traveled through space to save their planet. It taught me about teamwork and bravery.
I love stories like that. They inspire you to work together and be courageous. Do you have a favorite animated character, David?
I really like a character named Astro from Star Journey. He is funny, brave, and always helps his friends. What about you, Clara? Do you have a favorite character?
I like the main character in Magic of the Forest. Her name is Luna, and she is kind and curious. I like how she always tries to solve problems with her friends.
Luna sounds like a great role model. Animated characters often teach us good lessons. Besides movies, do you watch animated TV shows?
Yes, I do. I watch a show called Happy Days, which is a funny cartoon about a group of animal friends. It always makes me laugh with its silly adventures.
I have seen Happy Days on TV. The animals are very cute, and the stories are simple but funny. I also watch a show called Little Explorers. It is about children who travel and learn about different cultures.
That sounds educational. I think animated shows are a great way to learn new things while having fun. Sometimes I learn new words and ideas from them.
Yes, animated shows are good for learning. They are simple and clear, and they often include messages about friendship, honesty, and hard work.
Do you like watching animated movies on the big screen, David?
I do. Going to the cinema to watch an animated film is very exciting. The large screen and sound make the colors and music even more beautiful. I remember watching Dreamland in the theater. It was a magical experience.
I loved the cinema too. The experience is very different from watching at home. When I watch an animated movie on the big screen, I feel more immersed in the story.
Yes, and I also enjoy the soundtracks of animated movies. The music can be very catchy and emotional. Sometimes I listen to the soundtrack after the movie.
I do that as well. I often buy the soundtrack or stream it online. It reminds me of the film and makes me feel the same emotions.
Do you also watch animated series online? I like to use streaming services to watch my favorite shows at any time.
Yes, I use a streaming service on my phone and laptop. I can watch many animated series from different countries. It is fun to see various art styles and stories from around the world.
That is true. I recently discovered a Japanese animated series that has beautiful art and a unique story. It is different from Western cartoons.
I have seen some Japanese animations. They are very interesting because they show a mix of fantasy and real-life problems. I like how they can be both serious and funny.
Exactly. They also have a different style of drawing and music, which makes them unique.
What do you think about the quality of animated movies these days?
I think the quality is very high. With modern technology, the animations are smooth and the details are amazing. The stories are also more creative.
I agree. The animation is very detailed, and it makes the movie more enjoyable. I also like that many animated movies have good messages for both children and adults.
Yes, the messages are important. They teach us about values like friendship, love, and respect.
Do you have any recommendations for animated movies or shows that I should watch?
Sure, I recommend Star Journey if you like space adventures and Happy Days for a fun, lighthearted show. Also, check out Dreamland for a magical experience on the big screen.
Thank you, David. I will definitely add those to my list. I would also like to recommend Forest Magic. It is similar to Magic of the Forest, but with more action and humor.
That sounds interesting. I love action and humor in animated movies. I will look it up.
It is always fun to share our favorites and learn new ones from each other. I feel that animated movies and TV shows can bring a lot of joy and inspiration.
I agree, Clara. They are not just for children, they are for everyone. Watching them can brighten your day and sometimes even teach you important lessons.
Yes, and they also help me relax after a busy day. When I am stressed, I watch an animated show and it always makes me smile.
I have the same feeling. Animation is a wonderful escape from reality. It helps me see the world in a more colorful and creative way.
Do you ever talk about animated movies with your friends?
Yes, I do. We often discuss our favorite characters, scenes, and what we learned from the films. It is a fun conversation that always makes me laugh.
I enjoy those discussions too. They help me understand the movies better and also discover different opinions.
Sometimes I even join online forums to talk about animated shows. It is interesting to see what people around the world think about the same movie.
That is great. I have read some blog posts and comments that help me see different perspectives.
It is amazing how animation connects people. No matter where you are, a good animated movie can bring people together.
Exactly, David. I feel that animated movies and TV shows make our lives more joyful and inspire creativity.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Clara. I enjoyed sharing our thoughts and ideas about animated movies and TV shows.
Thank you, David. I feel more excited to watch new animated films now and to discuss them with you and others.
Let's keep in touch and share our new finds. I'd love to hear your reviews after you watch Forest Magic.
I will, David. I look forward to our next conversation. Have a great day and enjoy your animated adventures.
You too, Clara. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.
Goodbye, David.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.